What is good, Wiltsey 8th grade students? How's it going? Woo! 8th graders, you're practically 9th grade. What is good, guys? 8th graders, we welcome to our semester 2, your final semester 2 awards assembly here at Wiltsey Middle School. Guys, a little bittersweet, right? But we are glad to have you guys here. We are here to celebrate you, your awesomeness, semester 2. We're going to be reading off our April Students of the Month today. But before I even do that, we have our amazing admin team and support staff here with us. Good round of applause here for everyone here with us. Miss Tuttle, our principal, Kabasi over here, our assistant principal. You've been hearing her amazing vocal skills too over our Wiltsey speaker. And then Miss Corrales right over here. Mr. Lugo right behind me, right below me. Miss Mesa, and right over here, our coach. Mr. Simple, Safety of Safetyness Officers, and Mr. Joplin down there, our student mentor. And Will
rocking the tie-dye. Good job, my Will.
Alright, we're right here to read off, again, all these wonderful award recipients for the semester 2 and then also April Students of the Month. So we're going to get started with our Students of the Month for April. I did not forget about April. We have 5 categories: Outstanding Wildcat, we have Most Improved Wildcat, Wildcat Character, Elective Excellence and Sportsmanship we're going to read off. So we're going to get started with Outstanding Wildcat for month of April. Let's go and get started. For Outstanding Wildcat, Language Arts, Abigail Gonzalez, Miguel Chuck Garcia. And then for History, Joey Chandler and Angel Orozco. For Math, Joel Sanchez Martinez and Eric Mora Ruiz. Good job, guys. Congratulations. For Outstanding Wildcat. There we go. Gotta have the count. Gotta have the air horn. For Most Improved Wildcat, Language Arts, Zoe Ortiz. History, Fernando Torres. Math, Juliana Feliciano Barrera. And Science, Daniela Ochoa. Good job, guys. Solid work there. For Wildcat Character, Giselle Reyes for Language Arts. Haley Chappell for History. Math, Eduardo Marquez. Good job, Eduardo. And for Science, Regina Aregui Cuevas. Congratulations.
Solid work, Wildcat Character.
Let's move on here, guys. We do have, I think, a few Elective Excellence Awards here for Adeline Reyes Lermo and DeAndre Gasaway for Elective Excellence. Solid work. Heck yeah, love that fist bump there, Will. And then we got, let's see, Sportsmanship Award. Yeah, we do. We got some Sportsmanship Excellence here. Daisy Alvarez, Osvaldo Mendoza, Isabella Loera, and Genesis Lorenzo. Solid work, guys, for sportsmanship, demonstrating amazing sportsmanship qualities out in our virtual PE field. As we're going to do is take a minute. We want to recognize, give you one last round of recognition here for all your amazingness throughout the semester 2 Students of the Month recipients and so forth. So I'm going to read off all our winners that we've seen and heard over the past 4 months for Students of the Month. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off with Outstanding Wildcat. For Outstanding Wildcat semester 2, January, Sherlene Lopez, Ariadne Lopez, Maya Vivaldo, Kenneth Lee. For February, Ricardo Balardo, Evelyn Robles Correa, two times. Janelle Cardenas. For March, Jasmine Morales, Angel Anaya, Miranda Marquez, and Juan Bayon. And then for April, Abigail Gonzalez, Miguel Chuck Garcia, Joey Chandler, Angel Orozco, Joel Sanchez Martinez, and Eric Mora Ruiz. Solid work there. Solid work, guys. Again, these are all Most Improved Wildcat Semester 2. These are all our recipients, Students of the Month. Jackson Mazariego Hernandez, Christopher Alvarado, Joel Sanchez, DeGea Fowler. This is for January. And then for February, Alberto Gonzalez, Juan Baruna, Angeline Morataya, Leslie Feliciano Morales. For March, Arturo Ramirez, Noah Moreno, DeAndre Gasaway, Emmanuel Flores. And for April, Zoe Ortiz, Fernando Torres, Juliana Feliciano Barrera, and Danielle Ochoa. For Wildcat Character Semester 2, Stephanie Maldonado Hernandez, Victor Ramos, Jose Mojica, Juliet Anzures Benitez for January. For February, Genesis Lopez, Christian Millan, Diego Lopez, Alberto Gonzalez. March, Jeremiah Franco, Joel Sanchez Martinez, Emily Gutierrez, Jocelyn Juarez. April, Giselle Reyes, Haley Chappell, Eduardo Marquez, and Regina Regui Cuevas. Wildcat Character. Elective Excellence. Osvaldo Mendoza, Timothy Scott, got it twice. Antonio Padilla Rodriguez, Mallory Hernandez, Adeline Reyes Lerma, and Deandra Gasaway. And for Sportsmanship Excellence, Semester 2, Charisma Schaefer, Juliet Garcia, Arturo Ramirez, Jose Mojica, Brandon Esquitia, Daisy Alvarez, Osvaldo Mendoza, Isabella Loera, and Genesis Lorenzo. Solid work there, guys. Congratulations. Bring my mic over here. Solid work. Woo! Good job, guys. Those are a lot of recipients. We're happy to have been able to recognize that many students throughout this semester, throughout the whole year for that matter. So thank you so much for all your hard work, for trying your best through this entire semester and year. But we do have to recognize now Semester 2 Honor Roll recipients. These are our students that received mostly A's and B's, 3.5 to a 3.99 GPA on your Semester 2 report card, guys. These kids are rocking it, right? Doing amazingness. And I think we have quite a few names here, so let's get going on these. You guys ready to read off some honor roll names, guys? Okay, yeah, we are. Let's get going. Juan Bayon, Sarah Seca, Jamaray Chambers, Joey Chandler, Lynn Chappelle, Kimberly Chavez Aguilera, Miguel Chu Garcia, Angel Contreras, Alberto Diaz de Leon, Alex O, Jonathan Elias. Woo! Guys, I have to there's a lot of names, but we're only in the E's right now. Genesis Enamorado, Jorge Esquitia, Jeremiah Franco, Sofia Gomez, Abigail Gonzalez, Christian Gonzalez Barrera, Laura Gutierrez, Vanessa Hernandez, Diego Auregui, Jocelyn Juarez, Alina Kennard. Hey guys, we're in the K's.
We are only in the K's right now. It's a lot of names.
Alina Kennard, Ariane Lopez, Jared Lopez, Brandon Machuca, Elizabeth Maciel, Hannah Mendoza, Jose Mojica, Gabriela Morales, Jasmine Morales, Eric Mora Ruiz. And we're only in the M's. This is a good problem. This is a really good problem to have. Noah Moreno, Edward Munoz, Angel Orozco, Nevea Owen, Natalie Peralta, Junior Perez, Arturo Ramirez, Giselle Ramos, Victor Ramos, Luis Ramos. Solid work. I'm not sure if I'm done. Hold on, let me see. One more page. Evelyn Robles Correa, Wendy Salgado Valero, Joel Sanchez Martinez, Timothy Scott, Irlanda Valenzuela, Valeria Vargas, Joseph Venegas, Alexandra Villegas, and Maya Vivaldo.
Solid work, guys. Amazing.
Wow, I am blown away. That was a lot of names. Let's move on to Principal's Honor Roll. As these are students that received straight A's in the report card, Semester 2. It's amazing. We got straight A's, A pluses or A's. For the month, they rocked it, right? Solid performance, guys. You guys ready to read off our Principal's Honor Roll? Heck yeah, we are. Let's go ahead and get started here. Straight A students here. Marisa Alberto, Janelle Cardenas, Haley Sendejas, Amber Deanda, Perlita Gallardo, Juliet Garcia, Ariana Hernandez, Sari Hernandez, Juan Carlos Jimenez, Jolene Capapula. Solid work there, guys. Good job there. One more page. Heck yeah. Kenneth Lee, Genesis Lorenzo, Andrea Madrigal, Miranda Marquez, Osvaldo Mendoza, Jared Munoz, Marilyn Ochoa, Maria Orozco, Giselle Reyes, Francisco Romo, and Yareli Rosales. Good work, guys. Good, solid work. Guys, those are Principal's Honor Roll recipients, straight A students. You guys rocked it. Keep up the amazing work, especially as you guys head over into high school. We do want to wrap up our assembly here, virtual assembly, with a little bit of attendance incentive drawing. Are you guys ready to celebrate some of our amazing 8th grade students that had perfect attendance for the month of April? Solid. Let's do this. So we will be giving away some thank you in part to their wonderful administration. Some amazing pizza being delivered to you guys to your front doorstep, nice and hot, ready to eat. So we're going to get started here with these names. We have 10 names that we drew from about a little over 200 students that had perfect attendance for the month of April. So let's go ahead and get started here. Jacqueline Duenas Rocha, I believe, was the first one there. Congratulations. Melanie Rios Sierras. Solid work, guys. Thank you for showing up on time, being on time. Heben Ovalle. You know, showing up every day is a little difficult sometimes. Maya Vivaldo, we appreciate you showing up every day. Kayleen Ramos. Who do we have? Jose Bravo. These are all mixed grade levels, so you may not recognize some of these names. Amira Stewart. Solid work, Amira. Camille Robles. What else do we got here? We have here Islanda Valenzuela Ledesma. Solid work. And Edwin Larios. I believe that was it. We had 214 entries, 10 winners for attendance instead of drawing. Solid work there, guys. We have our recipients right here: Jacqueline, Melanie, Heaven, Maya, Jaylene, Jose, Amira, Camille, Irlanda, and Edwin. Woo! Solid work, guys. You should be expecting some fresh, hot pizza delivered to your doorstep pretty soon by our wonderful administration. Thank you so much for that. And so let's see, semester 2 awards. If you got a April Student of the Month, you'll be getting this sent out to you in the mail along with a window cling to display your awesomeness in your windows or car windows or wherever you may wish to display that. And then if you have Principal's Honor Roll or Honor Roll, you will be receiving a Principal's Honor Roll certificate or an Honor Roll certificate along with an awesome dog tag to hang around your neck and display your awesomeness around your neck all summer long. And be proud of that. You guys definitely earned this. Solid work on that. But congratulations above all to everyone for this amazing year. I'm going to let Ms. Tuttle give some parting words to our 8th grade students. I'm going to shed some tears while she's doing that over here because I'm going to miss my 8th graders. Go ahead, Ms. Tuttle.
We are just so proud of you. You did it. You made it through a pandemic and you finished 8th grade. And you guys did so great. You showed resiliency. You're learning skills that are going to get you through the rest of your life. And I know that you are prepared for high school next year. And it's going to be an amazing experience for you. We can't wait to see you at our drive-through promotion and hand you those certificates and just wish you all the best in high school and beyond. So we're just so proud of you, 8th graders. And we want to see you at that drive-through promotion.
Awesome, man. As we look forward to seeing each and every one of you drive through our drive-through promotion, we can't wait to see your faces and just see your smiles and just wish you, luck as you head on to high school. And I know you'll do great things, as Ms. Tuttle mentioned. You guys have gone through quite a bit here, and just prepared you basically for you to do amazing things in this world after this, right? So, guys, thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much for joining us on these virtual assemblies. It's definitely it was a unique year for all of us, but we're super thankful to have you guys here with us. Thank you so much again. We'll see you. Stay safe. We love you. Goodbye.